Hello, America, and welcome to another episode of What You Need to Know to Qualify for a VA Home Loan. In this episode, we'll discuss what is second-tier entitlement. To answer this question is my lovely wife, Kila.
Thank you, Sigmund. Qualified borrowers have two layers of entitlement. The first tier and the second tier combined together creates the VA Home Loan Guarantee. The second layer of entitlement can help borrowers who have experienced a foreclosure or other major problems when applying for a VA home loan.
So, thanks to second-tier entitlement, even a VA veteran who defaults on a VA home loan can still purchase again?
Yes, they can. It's important to note that with the second-tier entitlement purchase, the minimum loan amount is $144,001. Second-tier entitlement can also help you have two VA home loans at the same time.
That's good information. Thank you, Kila. You are currently serving or have served our great country. Our team is honored to serve you. Hold your hand to guide you and accompany you through your home ownership journey.
Valentine Dream Homes Group, delivering the keys to your heart. You and your family deserve it.
Contact us today. We are here to serve.